Next up, Cargo Keeper for Black Mouse. We need to complete a cargo delivery contract and fully repair and refuel the transport vehicle. Now, we can do these things over here, these ship cargo missions, but there are also land versions of this where we need to travel across the land and dodge a helicopter. Now, a helicopter will shoot at you while you're driving around or boating around. All you need to simply do is travel in one direction. Then, as the helicopter starts shooting just in front of you, swerve to travel a slightly different direction. You'll pretty much be heading off axis to wherever you want to go and changing direction each time the helicopter shoots at you. That way you're pretty much safe 24/7. So picking up this contract here, you'll see a boat is dropped off to me via air. All we need to do is navigate across there and get in. And in this case, because it's a boat mission, I'll need to take the cargo in said boat across the land to a certain point. Then we'll need to head across to a refueling station to get it fixed up completely. So as you can see from here, I need to travel pretty much across the planet. This is a rather annoying one as it's a very long way away, but it's still doable and it's somewhat on the way to the exfil for me. So of course you'll see a helicopter come in shortly, and once again we'll be traveling slightly off axis from wherever we're going. There we go. There's said helicopter. Now, as far as I understand, you can't shoot this down. Maybe you can if you have a friend in the mounted gun seat, but really all you need to do is travel in one direction, then change to a slightly different direction. So for example, I'll head out here, and as the helicopter shoots me, I'll just change the direction. The helicopter starts shooting, so I turn the other direction, and immediately after, I'm not really getting shot at anymore. Usually the timing on these are pretty similar, so all you need to do is just learn how long in between each of these barrages are and just slightly change direction every time. It's not too difficult to do, but when you get it down, you practically take no damage. I haven't done many of these boat delivery missions, so I'm not entirely used to it, but it's pretty much the same exact thing as the cargo where you're traveling around with a vehicle. The helicopter usually eventually leaves you alone, but you get close enough to the pickup point, so if you're rather heavily damaged, just try and get over there as fast as possible. So zooming in here, I don't see a boat repair anywhere, which is a little bit annoying. There's only one far up north, and that's not really where I want to head, but if I have to, well, that's where I'll go. So obviously the first bit, here's the helicopter. We just need to travel underneath it, and I think I'll travel across there to try and get the vehicle repaired. So it'll pick up the cargo as we drive past. Chonk, just like that. Now, with the first part of the mission complete, all we need to do is fully refuel and repair the vehicle. For me, I'll need to navigate across the river here to this marine gas station. Now, if you want to do the land version, you'll need to look for a suitcase that looks like this. I'm pretty sure both of these types of missions work, as they're pretty much the exact same thing. You move a vehicle across the land, then the cargo gets delivered, and all you need to do is repair it up practically to full. So coming up here in my case, this will likely be pretty heavily guarded. I hope not. Yep, I'll switch seats here. And of course, this isn't parked in the right spot. Or in fact, I just need to be in the driver's seat. There we go. Repairing is now happening. And in just a moment, when it's fully refueled and repaired, and there we go. We should now have the mission complete. Super simple. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick guide. You now know how to finish Cargo Keeper for Black Mouse. Thank you all for watching. Money's been taking over here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!